This is Higgsfield, which is one of the biggest AI creative generators out there on the market right now. So Higgsfield is capable of doing a lot of things. So it's capable of creating images, videos, editing. You would have seen on social media all those like AI like images and videos like this Higgsfield Black Friday here. And yeah, you would see some like UGCs and some like fashion creatives and like videos like this, like resembling Sora and all of that. So yes, Higgsfield, you can think of it as kind of like a central repository of all the different like AI models for images and videos, and you can try them all on this one platform here. So let's go under images first, for example, and here are the different models. So Higgsfield, it's their own image model, and there's Seedream, WAN, Flux. These are all the Chinese models. There's also GPT and Nano Banana. Yeah, let's go under Nano Banana, for example, and yeah, I've created all these creatives of myself. I just uploaded a photo of myself, and then I told it to generate a photo shoot. It's created some like photos out of me, and yeah, I could use these for my social media posts. So it looks like a real photo shoot, as you can see here, and I'm actually pretty impressed by the quality of it, and I like the pose and everything, the background. So yeah, you can use it for a lot of fun. I admit I've had a lot of fun making all these images, and yeah, you can also use it for creating YouTube thumbnails. So you know how like on YouTube thumbnails you'll see like photos of people with like dramatic expressions or in like certain poses. Well, you can do that as well without having to take photos of yourself. So yeah, I put an image of myself and I told it to generate some images of me in this surprised expression. So yeah, you can see here, and then yep, over here as well, and you can see that it looks very realistic. And let's just like go down a little bit more. So yeah, that's like one use case of using the image generator. And another thing that you can also do is you can also edit these images as well. So I can instruct it, so make him look very angry. I can do that, and then like unlimited, and then it's going to create a angry image of myself. So yeah, let's just like wait for the images to come up. So it's in progress, as you can see. So it just finished generating some images. It made myself look very angry, so it's a bit over dramatic, but yeah, you get the point here. So yeah, you can use this for generating images of yourself for like social media posts or for YouTube thumbnails. So that just makes it very convenient, so you don't have to like go outside and take photos of yourself or ask somebody to take photos of you. So that's one really big use case of Higgsfield, and yeah, you can probably see why it's such a popular platform. And now let's go on to videos. So yeah, you can use videos for lots of things. You can use it for UGC, so that's going to be very useful for e-com brands. And you can also upscale videos. You can also do the same with images. You can also face swap, character swap. So yeah, for Photo Dump Studio, like, this is a fun thing as well. So upload a photo of yourself and it's gonna create these images for you. So like you in this kind of photo shoot style. So yeah, that's one thing that you can do. So back to videos. So yeah, video upscale, animate videos, and you can also do like draw to video. So under videos, you can create a video. You could turn it into like video ads. So if you put a product image here and you tell it to create a video ad out of it, it could do that. So on videos, so there are the different models here. So Higgsfield, which is their own video model, Sora 2, everybody knows about Sora 2 and Veo 3, and there's these ones as well, Wan, Kling, Minimax, Cdance, and Kling. So these are all the Chinese models, and they're very good as well. Yeah, these are some videos that I made. So I gave it a product image of like of whiskey, and this is a video that it generated, and this is a prompt over here. So I described exactly what goes on, but anyways, yeah, here's the video that it generated for me. And then here, this is a video of me drinking whiskey. So you could use this as an ad for the product that you're advertising. So in this case, me drinking whiskey, looking sophisticated and all that. And then here, so this is just me like posing in a suit and just showing off the outfit. So you're providing more than just an image of the product that you're selling. So you're actually seeing it live in a video, and then yeah, something like this can be used like for cinematic purposes, like for a movie or something. So yeah, I have the prompt here, and then yeah, anyways, here it is. So yeah, these are all things that you can generate with videos on Higgsfield. So all these different models here. You can also edit videos and images. So yeah, banana placement, you can place a product onto your image. So basically turning your image into an ad or a UGC. Product placement, edit image, upscale, and angles. And then there's Higgsfield angle. This is a new one. So generating images from different angles. For example, like look at this here. So that's what you can do with Higgsfield. And then yeah, you can also generate your character as well. So you can upload photos of yourself, and then Higgsfield is going to build your model based off the images that you provide and train the model on you. And then you can generate images of yourself in different poses and different outfits, etc. So yeah, here I've uploaded all these different images of myself, and yeah, I can now make different images of myself in different poses, positions, etc. So yeah, this is Higgsfield in a nutshell, and as you can see, it's very versatile, and this is the go-to platform for all things related to creative AI, whether it's images or videos.